Atelier, they give me a new hope to show people my story.
A lot of artists with many experience, different country, different cultural, and the ability to communicate with people outside the border of the language. My name is Omar Ibrahim and I am 40 years old.
My name is Ahlam. I am 26 years old.
Je m'appelle Soumaïla Tonkara, j'ai 27 ans. Je fais partie de l'atelier des artisans.
In the atelier, there is a lot of type of artists, and we complete each other. I can't speak French. The only way to contact with people, it was art, and it's still art. I born in Yemen. My art, it is a feeling of a woman. She come and she fight, is express what I feel and what a lot of women in my country feel.
I born in a city south of Syria, it's called Sweden. I live in my own country because of the circumstances of the crisis inside Syria. The opportunities that the atelier could giving for me, in fact, like more social circles here to live with.
Je suis né à Bamako. Je vis à Paris, ça fait 1 année et 5 mois. À Bamako, le Mali, en fait, la danse, elle n'est pas aussi... les gens ne voient pas la danse comme un métier, comme un travail. L'atelier m'a apporté beaucoup de choses. Parce que quand je suis venu en France, je ne connaissais personne. Grâce à l'atelier aussi, j'ai pas mal de connaissances aujourd'hui au niveau de la danse, pas mal de formations, masterclass à la cartoucherie.
Paris as a city, it's very rich for me to add more to myself and to my artistic experience. It's add a lot of elements and maybe colors to my paintings, which wasn't exist before.
Every corner of Paris, it's inspiration you, and when you meet a lot of artists and see a lot of art, it is make you develop your artwork to a new level.
Donc je trouve qu'ici à Paris, la danse contemporaine, ça parle, c'est-à-dire c'est de l'art vivant. C'est de l'art vivant qui exprime beaucoup de choses.
You have this tool, you have this strength of making arts. That's showing people to be more interesting about you, who you are, and what you're doing here. And for sure what you can give for the place.